ratio today. And this is a really important topic. It comes up again and again and again, both in real life and also in your future maths learning. It's a really big topic on the GCSE when you get to it. The basic idea is that we've got different types of things. So let's say I've got some black circles and I've got some red circles. Now for every 4 black circles, there are 3 red circles. So the ratio of black circles to red circles is 4 to 3. Or let's say for every 1 black circle, there's 2 red circles. The ratio of black to red circles there is 1 to 2. It would still be 1 to 2 if for every 1 red circle there's 2 red circles, so still for every 1 black circle there's 2 red circles, so the ratio is 1 to 2. If I do a third black circle and I still keep there being 2 red circles, the ratio is still 1 to 2. The main thing we're going to be learning about today is changing between ratios and fractions. So here I've told you the ratio of black circles to red circles is 1 to 2. So for every 1 black circle there are 2 red circles. But I could also ask what fraction of the circles are black. Okay, so I've got some black circles and some red circles, and they're in a ratio 3 to 4. That doesn't mean there are 3 black circles and 4 red circles, but it means for every 3 black circles there are 4 red circles. What fraction of the circles are black? So I'm going to draw a little picture of this. I'm going to draw something called a bar model. So for the black circles, I've got 3 of them, and I'm going to do squares instead because that's quite useful, easier to draw. And then for red circles, there are 4. So the important things about this, which will be really useful later on, is I've lined up these squares and they're all the same size. So for every 3 black squares, 3 black circles, there are 4 red circles. What fraction are black? Well, there's 3 black. And in total, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes in total. So the answer is 3/7. So how did we do that? I drew a bar model. So I drew 3 black boxes and 4 red boxes. The numerator, because I'm asking what fraction of black, is just the number of black boxes. And then the denominator is the total. That's the thing that we get mixed up on most often. Okay, the denominator is the total. Please copy that down into your books, please. Make sure you understand what's going on. Let's do just one more example. If you want, you can pause the video and have a go at this one yourself. Otherwise, I'm going to go through it. Okay, so again, I'm going to draw a bar model. So I'm going to draw a section for boys. And there are 4 parts there, so I'm going to draw 4 boxes. And then for girls, there are 5 parts, so I'm going to draw 5 boxes. And I've got these boxes all the same size and all lined up. What fraction of boys? Well, there's 4 boxes for boys, and in total there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 4/9. Green pen that if you tried it yourself, otherwise have a go, otherwise copy it down. Now here's one for you to do. It's which fraction are girls. Pause the video, have a go and write your answer in the box below where it says your turn 1. Okay, so you should have had a go at that. Now we're going to mark our work in green pen. Obviously you could change the answer in that box, but please don't. It's good to help me understand who got it first time and who needed it another time. It's not going to benefit anyone. I'm not collecting scores for this. Okay, so we've got boys is 4 boxes. Girls is 3 boxes. 4 boys out of 7 in total, so it's 4/7. That would be boys, but I actually asked for girls, so girls is actually 3/7. Sorry, my mistake. Girls is 3 out of 7. Okay, mark your work, green pen. Okay, I've got 3 different parts now, but it still works the same. So I've got black, red, yellow, 1 part black, 3 parts red, 2 parts yellow. And what fraction are yellow? Well, it's 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total, so 2/6. But we can simplify that fraction and it's 1/3. Okay, so 2 new things going on here. I've got 3 parts, but it works just the same, and I can simplify my answer at the end. In the demonstrate, you're going to have to simplify your answers. Okay, pause the video and have a go at this one, then put your answer in the your turn to box. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this with a shortcut. So we're looking at what fraction are black. So there's 2 boxes which are black, and in total there would be 2 plus 5 plus 1, which is 8. Okay, so I just added those and I put that over the top. Especially for bigger numbers, you might not want to be drawing the boxes out all the time. And I simplify it, and the answer is 1/4. Okay, if you're still not sure on this, look back through the video again. Otherwise, click next, and there you will have your first mini demonstrate with some questions.